I am so excited. Today is Sunday, April 14th, and just filed an LLC with Tailor Brand like 2 days ago or maybe on Friday. And today I received the emails and also everything on their portal that the LLC has been approved. So I just want to actually show you or actually share with you this information because the expedite process would take like serious only 2 days to complete the LLC. So if you're actually thinking to open an LLC and would like to speed up your process and ready to make money, this might be something for you to look at. But anyway, I'm about to actually show you how's the portal look like because I haven't had a chance to take a look, but I'm on their portal right now, and there's some information I still need to do, which is the sales tax, and also I was trying to refund one of my POI report, which is for business something information. So technically I have to pay that because they withdraw the wrong bank account. So that is something that I'm gonna do later after I show you guys this. So the last part is YT Boss Bay licenses and permits report is ready. So congratulations, you can view your report from your dashboard anytime. So I'm clicking on that right now, and they do have everything ready. And let's see, go to the LLC application. So in here, I think I showed you guys last time. If you haven't watched the previous video, feel free to take a look. It's like a long video, but it's walk you through step by step what you need to know before purchasing or establish your LLC. So in here's the portal right now. It's YT Boss Bay, Nevada, and your LLC is official. Access all the documents and manage your applications here. So I can actually go to view documents, and in here they have the operating agreement and also articles of the organization. So I'm gonna start download everything here to make sure that save and secure the process. Alrighty, so that is the first step. And also there's a couple things that I need to manage. So I don't know yet. So for this, I can actually see I do have the elite plan, the also registered agent, federal, state, and personal tax filing, and also the EIN. And from there, let me actually go to the email that they sent me this morning about the Tailor Brand. Congratulations, your business is now an LLC. Cool. So we're so excited to let you know that your business is official an LLC, and congratulations on reaching this huge milestone. So you can download all your official documents from your LLC dashboard. Now your LLC documents are ready. We have gone ahead and started processing your EIN. It will be uploaded to your Tailor Brands account, and we will let you know once it's ready. So what next? Now your brand is officially an LLC, you're ready to go to get to work. Let's keep up the momentum and start scratching things off your recommended to-do list. So to avoid paying legal fines by getting the required license for your business, save money by writing off your LLC costs and create an invoice to get paid fast, instantly look more credible and professional by securing your domain name. And they do actually give me the checkout, the to-do list right now. So let's actually jump into that to see what they suggested. So I actually was just, working and organizing my logo to see how it look, and also send it to my friend to ask how they think. Is that good, or I need to change it and all that. So making sure to, get the client's perspective before jumping to do something that is going to be permanent. So this is I believe it's the to-do list right now. So it's the same portal that we clicked earlier. So technically right now it's the business license, get up to 25% off your insurance policy, a Tailor for you, and business banking, and also license filling, and also like domain, logo, and DIY website, repair your business for what's ahead, trademark, business documents, business email, tax preparations, expert build website. So that is everything. So let me actually go look on the documents to see what I have here. Hey guys, I am so excited. Actually right now I am on the documents of the agreements, and also I can actually see the actual state of Nevada actually approved. oh my god, this is business entity, so filling acknowledge, and they give you the day that approved, which is today, and also they approved this morning, or like filling day and time. It's April 14, 2024 at 6:15 a.m. Okay, so they have the entity ID and also the name and also status, which is active, and also they give the information about the commercial registered agents information, and they said in here the attached documents were filled with the Nevada Secretary of State commercials recording divisions. The filling day and time have been affixed to each document indicating the day and the time of filling. A filling number is also affixed, can be used to reference this document in the future. And also they give another filling documents, which is I think the same time and day, but this is more different. And also they have the formations LLC here, and the articles, also the name, registered name, and also registered agents of service, and registered agents, and also the name and mailing address. More than that is different informations about if it's this company, it's the LLC. And in here they have a couple options for us to see, which is easiest what type of the LLC. They do have a couple options, but either partnerships or limited liability partnerships or whatsoever. When they click, it's the LLC, limited liability company, and just the rest of information about the initial list and state business license applications, XYZ, and then also the domestic limited liability carrier. So I think on the other video that I mentioned to you, 8 types of LLC that you need to know before applying. So technically this is domestic limited liability company, and then here they mentioned that the duty qualified and elected Nevada Secretary of State do hereby certify that did file this office, the original articles of organization that said document is now on file on record in the office and the Secretary of State of Nevada, and further that said document contain of provisions required by the law of the state of Nevada, and signed by the Secretary, and also the business license, the license number, expiration day, which is 1 year. And also, they mentioned in here, according to the title of 7 of Nevada revised status, blah, blah, blah. And that's pretty much around 8 pages. So that's the first one that they have on the documents. And the second one will be the operating agreement here. So that's the field articles. And we're going to the operating agreement, and this is operating agreement. So what is the purpose of this form? And this is around 4 pages for this. The purpose of this form is to cover commonly used provisions between LLC and its sole member. The form customizes the term of an LLC according to the specific needs of its sole member, as well as outlines the financials and functional decisions making within the LLC in a structured manner. Disclaimer, this form was written and designed to be a generic LLC operating agreement template. It's covered commonly used provisions. It should be further customized and complete to your business and legal needs. Tailor Brand is not a lawyer referral service or law firm and does not engage in the practice of law. This form does not constitute and is not intended to convey legal advice. It is provided on an as-is basis. That means that we do not analyze your information for legal accuracy or sufficiency or reach legal conclusions about your selections of this form. You should consult with a lawyer if you have questions concerning the use of this form, including without limitations, whether it is appropriate for your particular legal needs and whether it's compliant with applicable laws. Since Tailor Brand is not a law firm and its employee and representatives are not a lawyer, your purchase and use of this form do not create attorney-client relationship between you and Tailor Brands or any of its employees and representatives. and communication between you and any employee of the representative of Tailor Brand are not protected as privilege under the attorney-client privilege. So as you know that these companies just only actually help you to open an LLC on your behalf. It's just like, assistant. But in order for you to actually run and operate a business in the way that you're supposed to, I highly suggest is to actually check out the business attorney or different attorney that they have for lower rates, which is, I did a legal Zoom before where you actually can access and pay access without an attorney anytime you want. You can schedule and you just pay for the membership, which is 6 months. And it's really affordable, to be honest with you. For 6 months, it's just around less than $500, which is ridiculous cheap, because every single time that you want to contact the attorney by itself and you want to talk one-on-one with them, it costs around like a couple $100 per hour. But these kind of memberships will actually help you to save tons of money for your business when you're just starting out, but you still need to talk to the attorney. So I highly recommend it to check it out, but I will actually make sure to attach on the link below for you so you actually can save your time. You don't have to go through any of that. So technically this is the upgrading agreement of the company, and this LLC upgrading agreement is made effective on the day of 2022. So I think they just sent, it's like a basic stuff. I don't even know if we need to sign this, but they have around 19 of them. They listen here. So this agreement is between the company and myself, the sole member of the company. The agreement should be considered a contract between the company and the member. The company has formed under the law of the state of Nevada on the day and the time, the year. For the company may engage in any legal activity under jurisdictions in which it operates. The company may operate under a business name to promote its activity to extent such name is in compliance with applicable laws and regulations. The company is limited liability legal entity that is separate from its member. According to members shall have any separate liability for any debt, obligations, or liability of the company except or provide in this agreement or is required under applicable law. This agreement will be full force and effect until the sooner of a replacement of the same by the member in accordance with applicable law and this agreement. The solutions of the company shall dissolve upon consent of the member or upon any events requiring dissolutions under applicable law. The name of the company is, the address is, and also the member is. The company registered agent will handle the receipt of official legal and tax correspondence in accordance with all applicable state requirements. The company profits and losses should be distributed to the member upon her or his consent. The member should have the power to make distributions, amount, and intervals as she or he deems appropriate according to the applicable law and this agreement. The company should be managed by the member. The member may bind the company in all matters in the company ordinary course of business. The member shall not be involved in any business or undertaking competes with the interests of the company. To the extent permitted by applicable laws, the company may admit new member or transfer of any interest of existing member into the company by consent of the member as a condition to said admissions. Such members shall execute all documents in the company may deem necessary and confirm the agreement of such member to be bound by all the terms and conditions of this agreement. The company access should register in the legal name of the company. The company shall file tax return as required by applicable laws, a tax matter partner as required by the Internal Revenue Code, which is the IRS. Oh no, not that. Shall be appointed by the member. The fiscal year and the taxable year of the company in the calendar year. Example, the fiscal year end of December 31st. The company should keep an accurate accounting of this affair using any methods of accounting allowed by applicable law. The member shall not have a right to inspect a record during the company normal business hour, either by her, himself, and his or her accountant. The member should authorize to set up bank account in his or her sole discretions and to execute any resolutions needed for the same, including without limitations resolutions that are provided by the institutions in which the bank account are being set up. The member shall have no obligation to hold annual or any other meeting. However, the member may hold such as meeting such time and place he deemed advisable. The company shall identify a whole harmless as member, manager, office, employee, officer, and agent to the fullest extent permitted by laws for act or omissions done as part of their duty or to the company. For clarity, the scope of the indemnifications under the sections includes, without limitations, all liability expenses, reasonable attorney and accounting fees, and other associated costs as the case may be. This agreement should be binding upon the heirs, successors, and aside of the member. This agreement constitutes the entire agreement between the member and the company relating to the business matter and supersedes all agreement concerning such subject matter. If a court of law holds any provisions of this agreement to be illegal, invalid, or unenforceable, that provision shall be deemed amended to achieve an economic effect that is near possible to provide by the original provisions, and the legality, validity, and enforceability of the remaining provision of this agreement shall not be affected. This agreement may be modified and amended only by written agreement of the member. So technically that's the only two that I received after the LLC file or approved. But this is really important documents that you should pay attention to, but also more than that, if you remember, if you haven't watched the previous video, make sure you do, so you understand what is this process going through. And yeah, also the rest is different stuff, but I think I would give someone expert of this brand a call so they actually can walk me through, explain more if I don't know and I don't want to figure it out by myself, so I can ask some better questions about this. Hi, it's me again. Today is Monday, April 15. It's the tax day. Duh. Have you filled your taxes? But we are not here for that. I just want actually to inform you that I received my EIN this morning, and I just got the email from them around 4:30 a.m., which is maybe different time zone in New York or something, but they said your EIN is ready. So technically, if you watch the previous part, I was telling you about the LLC approval and different documents that prove. In this email, they said, I am very happy to inform you that your EIN is ready. You can find it in your EIN dashboard. I'm glad we could help you reach this huge milestone, and my team, I can wait to see where you will take my business to go next level. So if you're ready to move forward with building your business, we can help you. First, open a free business bank account in the US. Obviously, it's free everywhere. Also, protect your business with a customized insurance plan. Secure your business name with a trademark. Look like a pro with your own domain. So the other part, I already paid for it. So right now, it's the most important part is open a business bank account. So all of these can be useful for any business grow, and they will be here when you're ready. So I actually would click on the portal right now to see what are they talking about. So let me actually capture this so I can show you right now. All right, so it's actually loading for the logo right here. Alrighty, so technically, let's see the view document. So, upgrading agreement done, articles of organization done, EIN confirmations. Let me download this, and EIN, tax ID. Okay, save, and let's open this. Alright, so IRS and everything is ready here. It's like a short period of the documents, and let's see what they write in here for us to So this is the sole member, and the address is where they put for the registered agent, and this is day of notice is April 15, 2024, and employer number they provided for us, an assistant, they can call us. So in here they say, we assign you as the employer identification number. Thank you for applying for EIN. We assign you this EIN will identify you, your business account, tax return, and documents. Even if you have no employees, please keep this notice in your permanent records. Taxpayer requests an EIN for their business. Some taxpayer receive CP 575 notices when another person has stolen their identity and are opening a business using their information. If you did not apply for this EIN, please contact us as a phone number on the address listed on the top of this notice. When you're filling tax documents, making payments, or replying to any related correspondence, it is very important that you use your EIN and complete name and address exactly as so above. Any variations may cause a delay in processing, resulting in incorrect information in your account, or even cost you to be assigned more than one EIN. If the information is not correct as so above, please make the corrections, use the attached tier up stub, and return it to us. An LLC may file Form AA32 entity classification elections and elect the classify as an association taxable as a corporation. If the LLC is eligible to be treated as a corporation that meets certain tests and will be electing as corporations status, it must be timely file Form 2553 elections by a small business corporations. The LLC will be treated as corporation as one of the effective day of the S corporation elections and does not need to file Form AA32. To obtain your tax form and publications, including those referenced in this notice, visit the website www.irs.gov. If you do not have access to the internet, call the number and visit your local IRS office. And also in here is important reminders. Keep a copy of this notice in your permanent record. This notice is issued only one time and the IRS will not be able to generate a duplicate copy for you. You may give a copy of this document to anyone asking for proof of your EIN. Use this EIN and your name exactly as appear on the top for this notice at all your federal tax forms. Refer to this EIN on your tax-related correspondence and documents. Provide future officer of your organizations with a copy of this notice. Your name control associated with this EIN is YT. You will need to provide this information along with your EIN if you file your returns electronically. Safety your EIN by referring to publications 4557, Safeguarding Taxpayer Data, a guide for your business. You can get any of the forms or publications mentioned in this letter by visiting the website irs.gov-forms-pubs or calling 800 tax form 800-829-3676. If you have any questions about your EIN, you can contact us at the phone number or address listed on the top of this notice. If you write, please tear off the stub at the bottom of this notice and include with your letter. Thank you for your corporations. So that's it. They send everything. Awesome. So that is what they send it to me or give me the informations here. And like I said yesterday, I was trying to call them in order to see what's the next step and everything. So if you curious about the next step, this video about to end and show you, okay, I received the operating agreement and also articles of organizations and EIN confirmations. And from the day I started or filed this, it was on April 10, kind of late, around 5:30 p.m. PDT time, and the next morning they was able to actually fill out everything for my paperwork, and it's on the April 11, and I was received the notification for the approval early on April 14, which is really fast and furious because I paid for different service and I've been pay everything, and it's March 29, and it's already over almost like 2 weeks, and right now nothing happened. Yeah, more than 2 weeks right now. So if you thinking this is the way for you to save time and speed up your process, Tailor Brands is something for you to look at, and make sure to use the comment below, the descriptions and my link below, to use their service with them.